Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Slim Reshae here, aka Jasmine, and we are back with another video. For today's video, I just wanted to serve you guys looks, and we are serving this beautiful bronze glowy look. So if y'all are interested in this video, please keep on watching.
It's Slim Reshae, natural beauty. It's Slim Reshae. All about natural beauty. Yeah, Slim Reshae.
What's up, guys? We are back with another voiceover, and today we are using the Hard Candy Energizing Primer Veil. And honey, this feels like a nice citrus fruit juice on your face. It brightens, it gives you that vitamin C. So just imagine like a nice orange, I don't know, like the fruit. It feels really good on the face, really moisturizing. I like to let it, dry down just a tad before I get started. Then I'm going in with my L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glotion. And honey, you do not, I repeat, please do not use as much of this as I use, because a little bit goes a long way. I just did these extra antics for Instagram because y'all like, intriguing cover images for the Instagram stored videos, IGTV. So I didn't know what I was going to use for it. But anyway, after I blend that out, I use my sponge to blend it in further, because we want to be we want to be well blended, y'all. And we want to glow from within. So that's what we're doing. As you can see, I'm just shining, yeah. I'm shining everywhere. Okay, look at that. Yes. So now I'm just going to take my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Foundation. This is in 385. And I like to pump this on the back of my hand and then dump. And then, put my brush in it and then dab it all in the face. Dab, like so, like that. Shout out to Tabitha Brown, spreading positive vibes all around the world. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't hurt to be kind. And, we need to keep spreading that kindness around the world. So I hope y'all staying safe out there, quarantine ending and all that stuff, kind of, sort of, and COVID, y'all be safe. Yeah, so back to the tutorial. This isn't really a tutorial. I mean, it could be a tutorial, but it's really just like a makeup look. But now, y'all know, after I apply my foundation with a brush, I like to dab it in with a damp sponge, because it just blends out so much better that way. And you gotta make sure you get that jawline, that neck, all of that. Make sure you blend it all out, honey, okay? So my brows were already done at the beginning of the video, so if y'all are interested, make sure you check out my laminated brows tutorial, because that's the method that I did. And then here we are bronzing the face or contouring, potato, with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer. This is in the shade 490, okay? And who ain't looking like a copper penny? Who? Do you know your Megan, baby? That's so off topic. Anyway, now I'm using this big old brush to contour my nose, which that was just me being lazy, y'all. Use the right brushes. But yeah. And as you can see, I'm looking super bronze. Like, I'm looking like a dime. That's top of the line. With a big behind. Anyway. I'm looking like a dime that want to be a penny. That's how bronze I'm looking. I'm looking copper, you know what I'm saying? So now I am taking my Fenty Beauty concealers. These are in the shades 410 and 390. I lied. This is in the shades 410 and 360. And 410 is the shade that I'm putting on right now. And then 360 is going to be the shade that I'm putting right up under my eyes to brighten it, because that lighter shade is going to make me look alive, awake, alert, enthusiastic. I'm alive, awake, alert, enthusiastic. I'm alive, awake, alert. I'm alert, awake, alive. I'm alive, awake, alert, enthusiastic. Yeah, I'm not the singing type, y'all. But y'all knew that. Y'all knew that. Y'all know I just like to cut up when I had this little mic on, child. a hot mess. I'm all up in the mic too, like I'm a singer or something. So now you just want to blend, blend it out like so, like that, blend it out like so, like that. I need to make a song about that. I don't need to be making no kind of songs. Anyway, so we're just blending, and like I said, I did do this in real time, even though it's not really real time because I chopped it up, chopped it up, but I didn't speed it up or anything, so y'all can see me blending in real time. And I really like the quality of this video. Quality, okay? Shout out Josh and Easy. We're doing a quality video, you know what I'm saying? So y'all can see the texture on my face and everything. So then I'm using the Laura Mercier Aid translucent setting powder, and this is by far my holy grail, my tried and true. And I'm just setting the under eye with this. Again, y'all, do not follow my antics. You do not need this much powder. I just use this much because I was, like I said, doing a dramatic IGTV video for you guys. And, you know, the more dramatic, the more likely y'all gonna click on it to watch. So anyway, if you've watched this little short tutorial, the IG short tutorial I call it, on Instagram, go ahead and drop Gem Squad in the comments, because you clearly a Gem Squad member if you are here after watching it on IGTV. Anyway, I went in with some Becca powder, just trying something new to clean up the contour, and using my Fenty Beauty Sunstalker bronzer in Caramel Cutie. And right now we are bronzing it up in baby boy, baby girl. Who ain't a glazed donut? Krispy Kreme in this thing. Who ain't a glazed donut? Okay, we got the little crisp on the edges, little glaze on top. Come on. Now, I was about to say something else. That's why there was a little dramatic pause. But I'm using the same Sunstalker bronzer in Caramel Cutie to put on my eyelids, just because it kind of completes the look. We can't leave our eyelids all naked. You know what I'm saying? They gotta be covered up just a little bit. So now I'm using my NYX 03 multi-purpose foundation buffing brush, and this brush has like leftover foundation on it, and I like it to blend out some of that excess powder, not all of it, just some, so we could be well blended. And now I'm going in with this Kilowatt foil in Geisha Chic. I think it's called Geisha because it's like Keisha with a G. And I'm just blending this out, and we just doing a lot of blush because, you know, we just want to try out the blush look today, and we slay, and I slay. Anyway, so yeah, we're just doing some blush, and then we're going in with the Sephora Collection Micro Smooth Baked Foundation Face Powder. And this powder, baby boy, baby girl, get you right, get you tight. In the middle of the night. Anyway, I like to blend out and dust off the excess powder with that. Now I'm taking my Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in True Brown K, and I really like this lip liner, y'all. This is a nice brown for us brown skin women. I'm still gathering some products to record a lip combo video for you guys for brown skin women. And I am topping my lip off with the Max Pout Plumping Serum from Hard Candy. And this will tingle, you know what I'm saying, because it's a plumping lipstick or lip gloss. And now I'm using the Milani Make It Dewy. We're spraying our face because it makes it dewy. Yes. And then I'm just fanning it like so, like that. And then I'm using my Big T's mascara. This is from Buxom, and I really like this mascara. It, you know, makes my lashes look cute. You know what I'm saying? I didn't want to do any falsies, so that's why we just do a mascara. And then we taking a Becca Champagne Pop, honey, okay? Pop the champagne, because we putting this on our highlighted areas. So yes, I really love this highlighter. It's super cute. As y'all can see, I got a little trial one because I'm a little cheap, but you know, it works just as good. And then I'm using my sponge to blend in that highlighter because you just want it to be very well blended and not look like your highlighter's just sitting on top of your skin. So then we're gonna spritz just a little bit more and pat in that last round of setting spray, and then you could just see the glow. Who is she? Who is she? Look at us. Look at us. Who would have thought? So now I am putting in my bamboo earrings, and these are from Steve Madden, and now we have to take down our braids. So I'm using the Kiss Colors and Cure Argan and Macadamia oil. This is their hair oil that I really like. Adds a little bit of sheen to the hair. And so for this braid out, I really didn't do anything super special. I brushed out an old flexi rod set and just added some leave-in conditioner and braided my hair down because I was too lazy to go ahead and commit to wash day. So I was just, you know, figuring out something to do with my hair. So we're just taking those braids out and our hair looks nice and shiny. It was very moisturized. I know the oil's sitting on top of my head, but y'all just let it come together, please. My hair follicles needed to come to Jesus. Amen. So now I'm just taking out those last couple of braids. I say last couple like it's 50 braids on my head. I had 4 braids. 4, 2 in the back, 2 in the front. And I leave a little bit of the braid at the front of the hair just because I like that look. It's just cute to me. And yeah, I'm talking faster than my own good right now. Anyway, okay, so this is the rest of the look. I fluffed my hair out with my hands a little bit. I got a little pick and try to fluff it out some, but that's pretty much it, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, this voiceover. I hope I kept that same energy from the previous voiceover because this is my 3rd time being honest, transparency moment. But I love y'all. Peace and chicken grease. Enjoy the outro.
Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you've watched thus far and you are not subscribed, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing, sis? Go ahead and subscribe down below and join the gym squad. That basically means you're joining a community of people committed to loving themselves authentically and living a positive life. So go ahead and subscribe while you're down there, like this video, and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload. And without further ado, y'all never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you. Tipple. Bye guys.